Hey, my name is Rose Ewer, and today I will be presenting you my raisin-filled pumpkin spice bread. I am in the 4-H Club Leaf-tastic, and I made this dessert right here. Real quick before I start the video, I would like to say that I did not add any nutmeg simply because we did not add it. So because we did not have any. And I did not add any butter flavoring because that just sounded plain disgusting. So just one moment. It's 2 pieces of paper. Here's the recipe. Pause it and read it. Okay. I did substitute the white flour for hand-milled flour, which I made. Milled right over there on the counter. I milled it myself with my sister's help because she owns the mill. She wouldn't let me mill it without her help. And by the way, in case you've never tried flour that you've milled yourself, it has a bit more of an off-white color. And it is also a bit more flavorful. It also smells amazing when you mill it, and when you first open up the container of the freshly milled flour. And when I mean amazing, it's right below the list on vanilla extract when you first open the bottle. This recipe we got from the site called Taste of Home, if you couldn't tell. Okay, so now I'm going to try a bit of it. Oops. Well, that definitely didn't work. This is far too soft to cut with a knife. Alright. I tried to cut it after the piece died. That's why they tell me not to cut anymore. I tried to cut the piece in half. So. It tastes very sugary considering we added 3 cups of sugar to it. It also tastes a lot like pumpkin. After all, it is pumpkin bread.